Why did Alastor already have a deer-shaped shadow before he died? Nobody realized that Alastor was just a puppet controlled by his shadow. All along, fans generally thought a demon's form had something to do with how they died. But before Alastor fully made a deal with Royce, a deer-shaped shadow appeared behind him. So Alastor's death is closely tied to his shadow. Especially in Hell, Alastor always wore a smile, yet his shadow consciously expressed all kinds of emotions. And even when Alastor was busy fending off Velvet, his shadow climbed a street lamp and took her down on its own. This completely proves that Alastor's shadow is an independent entity, and we can even speculate that this shadow might actually be the real Alastor. Plus, Alastor loves eating rotten flesh in Hell, a habit that had nothing to do with him in life. So whoever loves eating rotting meat has to be someone else. It's worth noting that Alastor's shadow, just like the cannibals Royce controls, their eyes have no pupils. So Alastor's body was probably already consumed by his shadow. What we see now is just some kind of puppet, and that's why on Alastor's body there are so many stitch marks. This also